Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Anker Eufy 2K HD resolution camera to the Eufy Security app. So let's start with opening the app. You can download it from Google Play Store or App Store on the iPhone. And right here, as you can see, I have no devices. So let's click on Add Device. And instead of the camera that I have right here, first we'll need to add the home base. So I have mine with home base, it's this one, the second version. And right here we need to add it. So click on the next. And make sure that your home base is connected to the power as well as the Ethernet internet of your router, and move on. Right here, make sure that your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your router is. Click next, then click next again. And right here we'll be able to scan the QR code on the bottom of our home base. So I will just scan it.
Home base receives a pairing request. Press the sync button on the back to accept it.
And now we just need to press on the button on the back of the home base. And it should be added. Now they are synchronized with the doorbell. So
Homebase is toegevoegd.
So we just need to give it a name. And I will do Hard Home. Click OK and confirm. So it's added successfully, and now we can update the firmware, and that's a automatic update. So let's do that and wait. Probably for you it will be speeded up. And now when the update is finished, click on the next. Here we want to add more devices as we have this doorbell left. So scroll down, find the doorbell, select it and scan the QR code on your doorbell. It should be located on the back right here. Press the sync button for 2 seconds until you hear the beep, and let's do it. So it just beeped and we can move and click
Ready
next.
to add device. Device was added successfully.
Now the device should be added. Click on next, click got it, and then got it again. And here you can choose the different settings. So is there a traditional wired doorbell button at your front door? Which voltage is 8 to 24 volts AC, and you can adjust the settings here. As you can see, I don't have it in my porch or anything, it's just sitting on my table. So no, I don't have any existing doorbell. Let's just no. So we just need to get through that. Motion settings, which you can change from frequent motion detection, balanced motion detection, and disable motion detection. So just use the frequent motion detection. Here you can invite and share devices between your family members or friends or co-workers, and that's basically, let's just skip that here. And now the device is added and we can open it to see the camera. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.